This is a Lian Li Lancool 3 case. This is a white version. Okay. And this is the motherboard, the GPU, and I've fitted the white radiator there. I've just finished installing the Windows 10 and testing all the parts, and it's all good. And then I'll proceed to doing the modifications and custom water cooling on it. Okay, so here's the build progress now. I've not included some of the things that were done, as I was very busy this holiday season, and I'll just let you see what have been done to the build as of now. Okay, so most of the panels parts were painted, like for example the CPU block, the back of the GPU block, the vertical mount was painted, some of the fittings, and also the sleeve cables are done on the front. I've installed an acrylic because there's too many holes in this part of the case, and also painted it with matte white, and also here because this was open and you could see the cables inside, so I put also a acrylic there. And then this is gonna be the tube layout. As you can see, I put a T-fitting and then bonded the stop fitting in the end, so it would look like it's a continuous, but it's not. It goes inside the CPU inlet and then out on the CPU outlet. Okay, and this one, this is just, just to make it look like it's connected. You'll see when I put the tubes in. Okay. The difficult part of this build was, aside from the tube layout, it's connecting the 360mm radiator on top to the 360mm radiator in front. Okay, and then from that, connecting to the reservoir inlet, because it's very tight there. As you can see, I hope you could see how this was connected. It's very tight. I had to use many different kinds of fittings so that it would properly connect, both would properly connect to each other. This took me a long time to figure out how would I connect the radiators, the reservoir. The color of the coolant will be purple. I think this will really blend with the background. So yeah, later I'll be installing all the tubes.